This next session will be split into two parts, planning for the future part 1 and part 2. Right now we're going to dig into part 1. Each of the activities will take just a little bit longer, so that's why I wanted to split it up into two. This very first one will be dating goals activity and having a plan activity. Teens are rarely asked to think carefully about how they want to treat their dating partners and how they want their dating partner to treat them. This activity gives them that chance. So you're going to follow along on each piece of paper that continues after this slide does. It's fairly simple, just filling in the blank, but I want you to take some time and discuss what each of these mean to you. After the teen decides what they would like in a dating partner, caregivers, you're going to do the same thing. Even if you're not dating, fill in the blank for maybe your husband or wife or whoever that might be, that significant other. Please just pause the video here and then you can move on to the next one when you are ready. The next activity is on having a plan. This activity gives teens a chance to plan what to do if they are being mistreated or abused by a date, or if they realized they are doing that themselves. Teens develop a plan for two specific situations, but this activity can help them plan for other dating abuse situations as well. Read the following two stories that describe abusive situations, then work together to answer questions at the end to come up with a plan for responding to the abuse. Please read through situation A, take as much time as you need, and pause the video if needed. Then answer the questions afterwards and do the same thing for situation B. Please take 5 minutes or more to answer these questions regarding situation A. Pause here to read through situation B and then answer the following questions. There aren't as many questions for situation B, but please take about 5 minutes to answer them. I'm so glad you got to complete part 1. Up next, we have part 2, and that will be the end of our series.